Alright, this is the 2003 Tahoe, and so what I didn't show you is removing the upper and lowers and the tie rod end and the axle, and then using the ball joint press to press out the old bearing, old ball joint from right here. So anyways, you use this cup on the top of this guy and you push it out down through the bottom. See these tabs right here? I don't know why they do it like that, but I guess they stamp them from the factory so that they can't come out. So you use the biggest ring and you put it down the bottom, and this thing forces it out through there. So what we're doing is we're installing this new one, and when you install the new one, make sure that you remove the boot, okay, because you have to press it in from this lip right here, and if you leave the boot on there, you'll destroy it. So they just basically dab these with grease. So it's your job to install the grease fitting on here and fill it full of grease. You want to do that after. So anyways, we're going to be back and we'll show you how to press it in. Okay, let me turn the flash on here. So we have a cup on the bottom of that and then a small cup above it. We'll just tighten it down, press it in, and make sure you take your time. So you're gonna have to put a lot of pressure on it. So you get it until you don't see any gap on there, and then there's this snap ring that comes with it, and a cotter pin and a zert fitting. Make sure you put the zert fitting there where you can get to it. When you get this thing back on here, the axle is going to be going right through here. So don't point it into here because you won't be able to get to it. Alright, so now we're just going to get this off of here. If you don't understand when I undo this, you'll probably understand a little bit better. Okay. So this cup right here goes right through here so that the rod can go throughout the bottom, the bolt on the bottom. So there's your brand new, freshly installed. And there's supposed to be provision for a snap ring. So for whatever reason, I think these are they used a tab instead on the old one. And I think it's just because it's a factory original part. This isn't actually like completely bad, it's just very bad loose. So I couldn't really get it to show any play, but I mean, I think it was moving around too much. So there you go. And then the top one is kind of similar, except for you got to press that one out from the bottom because it doesn't go down. So like here's the new one. So here's the new one of those. And the nice part about this one, the boot's already separated. I don't have to pry it off. These, you press it in on the back, which is nice. Not having to press it in on here. But just, if you got any questions, feel free to hit me up. I'm just doing these videos for you guys, so maybe I can help somebody else while I'm getting my stuff done. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.